God. One time I made this lasagna, and you know how it has like 17 different kinds of cheese in it? Well, I accidentally put blue cheese in the lasagna, so it smelled like feet.
That is
and my
not
kids still to this day will not live it down. I made them a lasagna that smelled like feet.
Blue cheese and lasagna.
It was disgusting. Hey, I'm Reese.
And I'm Ashton.
And we're here with Tastemade, and we're gonna make
tiny red velvet double layer cakes.
We got this.
I think we can do this.
I'm personally gonna be excellent.
I'm so confident.
So they're gonna. First you you use
stick,
icing as almost like glue.
Yes, and you stick the base cake, and then you
now
have to use these little tools.
This is the first thing you call it the
frost.
scrape layer. So it's called scraping or something like that. Like
and then it looks like the nuts go on
all
the
around, and then you
ridge.
put one tiny flower. No, lots.
Multiple flowers.
And then you have to slice.
Oh, then you gotta cut it. You gotta cut a piece.
Whoa.
I think that there's a Michelin star in the works.
I'm going for the James Beard Award. Red velvet, double layer, tiny cake.
This is extraordinary. It's ice cream, just ice cream.
You know that actually speaks volumes about you, that you want everyone to love you.
Why are you psychoanalyzing me? What kind of ice cream? Rocky Road. Psychoanalyze that.
Okay, well, yes. Well, that's a controversial flavor because it has nuts in it.
LA tacos.
LA tacos.
I grew up with like flour tortillas in my household.
Yes.
And so it very much became, we had corn tortillas, but my mom always forgot to like heat them up. I think the easier question for me would be like,
Cake down!
Oh no! Would be, what have I made that was actually good? Mila won't really let me cook anymore.
Why?
I tried to be really sweet one time, and I was like, we're doing a date night. She's like, where are we going? I was like, home. She was like, what?
That's so sweet.
And then I tried to cook fish, and it was raw.
It's hard.
I think I should have frosted it before I put it on top of the other one.
You're doing great. Garlic bread.
I would say like beans. Like if things go well, you definitely don't want to be all beaned up at the end of the night. I think Reese for sure.
Really?
Yeah. Reese is an extraordinary gift giver. I've found that she's
Cake down! Cake down!
Again? Now, if you were throwing a kegger,
go to his house.
Come to my. I can throw a mean kegger.
Chocolate.
My kids caught me eating ice cream the other night, and now my daughter's convinced that every night after she goes to bed, I just eat ice cream.
You traitor.
Won't stay in bed. Like wakes up and
Cake down.
comes again. She wakes up. She comes out to just check and see if I'm out there eating ice cream.
Is that your chair?
That was the chair.
His is so much cuter than mine. You nailed it. Mine fell over a lot.
I wouldn't.
I think you did a better job. I'm just being honest. Mine's a chaos cake.
I would call this a helicopter cake because it kind of looks like there's like a propeller cake.
Yeah.
I think we have to taste them.
Okay.
It's hard, it's hard to know without tasting it.
Should we eat them with the tiny part?
Yeah, we absolutely should. These edible flowers, I hope like hell they are, because I'm about to eat them. No. Bon appetit.
That's pretty good.
I think you win.
You didn't eat mine.
Good point. What is it about tiny food that makes you want to talk in this little it's like hush tones?
Don't ever eat tiny cake by yourself.
Yeah.
It's much better with friends.
That's a great statement.